The globe, latitudes and longitudes. We want to know more about Earth. Earth is a fascinating place to live in. To know it better, we need to find a true representation of it. Globe is a true model of the Earth. Globes may be of varying sizes and types. Globe is not fixed, it can be rotated. Top and bottom of the earth are called the poles. Top is called North Pole and bottom is called South Pole. The imaginary line around which the earth rotates is called the axis of the earth. An imaginary line running on the globe divides it into two equal parts. This line is known as the equator. Northern half of the earth is known as the northern hemisphere and southern half is known as the southern hemisphere. Parallel of latitudes. All parallel circles from the equator up to the poles are called parallel of latitudes. Latitudes are measured in degrees. Important parallel of latitudes. Tropic of Cancer 23.5 degree in the northern hemisphere. Tropic of Capricorn 23.5 degree in the southern hemisphere. Arctic Circle at 66.5 degree north of the equator. Antarctic Circle at 66.5 degrees south of the equator. Heat zones of the earth. First one is torrid zone. The midday sun is exactly overhead at least once a year on all latitudes in between the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn. This area therefore receives the maximum heat and is called the torrid zone. Temperature zone beyond the tropics, the midday sun is never overhead. This happens because the sun rays come at a slant in these areas. So this part of the earth receives mild temperature. These zones are called temperature zones. Frigid zones, areas between the Arctic Circle and the North Pole, and also the area between Antarctic Circle and the South Pole, receive sun rays at a big slant. Due to this, sun is never much above the horizon. So this part of the earth receives least amount of heat and remains very cold. These zones are called frigid zones. Imaginary lines which run from one pole to another are called longitudes. These are also called meridians of longitude. The earth has been divided into 180-degree longitudes towards the east and 180-degree longitudes towards the west. 0-degree longitude is called prime meridian. Prime meridian and 180-degree meridian together divided the earth into equal halves. Both 180 degree east and 180 degree west are on the same line. Use of latitudes and longitudes. Latitudes and longitudes help us in finding the exact location of the place on earth. Longitude and time. We know that the earth takes about 24 hours to make one rotation on its axis. Thus the sunrise and the sunset easily tell us about morning and evening times. When the sun is directly overhead, it is midday. The sun casts smaller shadow when it is directly overhead. Prime meridian. Count of the meridians begin from the meridian which pass through Greenwich. This meridian is called the prime meridian. Its value is 0-degree longitude and from it we count 180-degree eastward as well as 180-degree westward. The local time of places which are on different meridians are bound to differ. So therefore it is necessary to adopt the local time of some central meridian of a country as the standard time for the country. In India, longitude of 82 half degree east is treated as the standard meridian.